Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to enable two-factor authentication for your Facebook and for your Instagram. Okay, so to enable this guys, follow this easy and simple method. So first you need to open the Facebook app. So you can open any app like Facebook and Instagram. I am using Facebook, and go to your Facebook settings like this. In the settings guys, here you can get the option password and security. Just tap on it, okay, like this. And here guys, you need to open password and security settings from the account settings like this, and here you can get the option two-factor authentication. Just tap on it like this. Okay, now here guys, you can get your Facebook and Instagram. So I have connected my Facebook account and Instagram account by each other, so that's why the both account is showing in my device, as you can see guys. Okay, so if you want to enable the two-factor authentication for your Facebook, just need to select Facebook profile from here, and here you can get three options to set up the two-factor authentication. So I am using SMS or WhatsApp like this. You can use this option as per your choice, and then tap on next like this. And here you can get your phone number. Just select your phone number and then tap on next and complete the process. That's it. Okay, so this is the way to enable the two-factor authentication for your Facebook. Same process you need to follow if you want to set up the two-factor authentication for your Instagram. Okay, so that's it today guys, the short and very simple video. So hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.